Well, hello there, darlings. It's April Mason here. Dropping a line. I know I don't go live as much as I used to anymore. Y'all been in my inbox letting me know where she been. Your girl got some things going on. And the last couple months of the year, I normally take off. So I normally get pretty quiet. So that's where I've been. I got things to do. And getting ready for 2019. And I hope that you're getting ready for 2019 as well. So I wanted to drop in really quick because I got to head out. I got to go get my workout on. But I wanted to make sure that you did not miss my Cyber Monday special. Actually, what I'm doing, because you guys have said, April, you haven't had any specials. You haven't done any bundles or anything this year. And that was intentional. But today only, Cyber Monday, if you're on my email list, you should have gotten the email. If you have not gotten the email and you are on my email list, check your other folders and make sure you whitelist at aprilmason.com. Make sure you whitelist that. Okay. So what I'm doing for Cyber Monday is offering 40% off of all of my online courses. Yes. So Purpose Mate is 40% off. Purpose Mate is entitled 8 Signs to Know That You've Attracted Your Purpose Mate and Not Another Playmate. Manifest is on sale. Now, out of all the courses that I have, I got to tell you guys, Manifest was my favorite to create. And if you're on a budget or whatnot and you have to choose one, go with Manifest. All of my courses are the bomb, but go with Manifest. Actually, the prices for my courses will be going up in 2019 because they're changing lives, and a sister knows that she put her foot in the content that she created. So Manifest is how to change the way that you think to manifest the love life and abundance that you desire. If you can't get any other course, get Manifest and then work on getting the other ones. Also, you have the Feminine CEO, how to tap into your femininity to help your creativity to skyrocket your income now. A lot of you ladies, you always, say, Miss April, I can't really focus on dating right now because, I can't focus on dating right now because my money is funny, my change is strange. And I totally understand that, because when your money is funny, you start to date men that you should not be dating because your self-esteem is not where it needs to be. So you value yourself by how much money you have, and you don't feel like you're worthy of something better because you're looking at where you are financially. Well, the Feminine CEO course will help you get your entire life and will help you learn how to use your feminine energy to create the income that you want. It wasn't until I got into my feminine space that my money changed. And I'm not even gonna lie to you. This has been, people have asked, what's your biggest secret? My 2 biggest secrets is, number 1, I got into my feminine space, and number 2, I'm a big giver. So I'll never want for anything because I understand that I have the ability to create, and I also have no problem helping others. The next course that's 40% off is Get Your Date On, 50 Great Places to Meet Men. You guys always ask, April, I need to get out of the house. Where do I go? Well, I have put together a list of 50 great places, and a lot of them are places you probably are not going to think of. So make sure that you get that one. Is 40% off. For those of you that are having a problem with forgiveness, because that's something that I dealt with, and it wasn't until I learned how to actually forgive versus saying I forgive that I saw the shift. It's called How to Forgive, Heal, and Let Go Once and for All. Majority, if not all of these courses come with a masterclass video, an MP3, and a workbook. So you're getting a whole lot to help you get your life together. The next course that's 40% off is Second Time Around, How to Open Your Heart to Love Again, Love and Date after divorce. Hold on. Let me make sure I'm reading that right. Put my glasses on. How to open your heart to love and date again after divorce or breakup. So it doesn't necessarily have to just be for a divorce. You could have gone through a breakup. And if you're having a hard time, I've been there too. And I gave you a course on how to love again and to make the choice to say, I'm ready for my second time around. Another one is how to become a high valued, classy woman. If you don't know what that looks like, if you don't like the results that you're getting, they're all related to how you carry yourself and how people perceive you. So Manifest and that one, it may work. I think you may want to get those two. What page are you on? If you're on store.aprilmason.com, you shouldn't have any problem. Go to store.aprilmason.com. Store.aprilmason.com, or go to April Mason and just click on store. Okay? Because it's working. It's working. It's working, darling. Sandra said, I need that one. You need that one? Girl, get what you need. I just believe in investing in self-development. Over this past year, I probably have spent about $7,000 on self-development tools. Is what I've done. Let's see. What about the sweatshirts? Well, the sweatshirts are already on sale. The price of the sweatshirts will go up tomorrow. So the sweatshirts, you can find them on the website as well too. I'm not sure. Somebody said when you select shop, just scroll down. Just scroll down the page. All you got to do is scroll down the page. If the shop button is not taking you down, just scroll down the page. It shouldn't be a problem. But the sweatshirts are already on sale, and the t-shirts. We have purple, we have blue, we have red, we have pink, we have gray, and they went on sale last week because I put on sale, but they will be going up as of tomorrow. So make sure when you go to store.aprilmason.com, it's a link that says shop here for shop here. Click here to get your Asset Woman apparel. And when you get your shirts, y'all, send me a picture because I want to post y'all all over Instagram because I want to create a movement, an Asset Woman movement. So make sure that you send me the picture, inbox it to me here on this Facebook page because we got to be about that life. 2019 is the year of asset elevation, honey. It's time to go to that next level. You've been playing too small and all of that. So it's time to elevate. You know, Sierra say level up, Miss Mason say elevate, and maybe we can partner together to elevate and to level up. I'm just saying it's time. You've been playing too small for too long. You've been taking the BS for too long. You've been doing nothing for too long, especially if you've been following me for any amount of time. Okay. Excuse me. So it's time. So the other course that's available is Swipe Left or Swipe Right, How to Online Date in 2018. And I love teaching this course. I think this might be a 2 to 3 hour course, I think. So if you are interested in online dating, because I'm online dating, I had no problem with online dating. But the only problem that I had with online dating, I'll tell y'all the truth, too many of the men on the dating site recognized who I was. So they would get excited because, oh, that's April Mason from Facebook and YouTube. And I'm like, I'm just trying to date. I'm just trying to meet Mr. Right. I'm just using this as a platform. Get off my social media stuff. So that one's available at 40% off. Another course, the last course that's available is The Power of Femininity, How to Tap into Your Femininity 4-module course. That's 40% off as well. So all of the courses are 40% off, and the sweatshirts are already marked down, but the price will go up for the sweatshirts tomorrow. So you can just go to store.aprilmason.com and order your stuff. For the ladies has been ordering. Well, I saw one order come in for like $500. I was like, she used that discount code and got it for $300 and something. She said, I'm getting everything. I like people like that. But if you cannot invest in everything, if I had to recommend the number one course to get of mine, it would be Manifest. Because no matter what I teach you, no matter what I share, if you don't understand the mindset will determine if you apply anything that's in Purpose Mate. If you apply anything that's in the Feminine CEO, if you apply anything in the Get Your Date On, How to Forgive, Second Time Around, How to Be a High Value, Classy Woman, you know, how to online date or how to be feminine. In order for you to grasp that, your mind has to be right. Your mind have to definitely be right. So if you have, you're going through, look, Miss Mapes, I'm going through some financial times, but I need that. You need to invest in Manifest, as well as if your money is funny and you change is strange, you need the Feminine CEO, okay? Because asset women, we don't want for nothing. Asset women, we got to stop, no more living paycheck to paycheck, because once you get into that feminine space, your creativity is what skyrockets your income, because the more calmer you are, more you're not trying to be a boss chick and bad bitches and I mean I can do it by myself, and the more you learn to ask for assistance, the more you are sweet, understanding it doesn't equal weak, the more that you declare how interdependent and resilient you are, the more ideas, the more people come with resources to help you get to that next level. So once you do that, you don't have to worry about living paycheck to paycheck, because your whole being creates. Everything about you is all about creating. Heck, think about it. We create life. We carry life. Okay? Baby can't get here without the womb. Baby can't get here even after the egg has been fertilized. We carry the life. So once you understand that you carry life, honey, you'll understand the importance of tapping in and understand that you have everything you need, as they say, is to make your coin. You just have to learn how to value yourself and understand what you got. Anyone have the sweatshirt? Do they? No, the sweatshirt I have is a medium, and it actually runs as a medium. So in my opinion, they don't run big. But mine is a mediums that I wear, and it fits perfectly for me. So love you guys. Gotta run. Have a great day, and make sure you go to store.aprilmason.com or just go to aprilmason.com and click on store. Everything ends at 11:59 p.m. tonight. Love y'all. Bye.